This is probably going to be a long video, cut in 2 pieces, but I'm introducing porridge. Oh, we might need more milk. Okay, puppies. Come on, schnuggets. Come here, mans and misses. Okay. Hey, guys, we got something. Ooh, yeah, these are good stuffs. Hold on. What's that? I know. Well, Mr. Brown, we never thought you... Oh, my goodness, Capri. Wow. Mama, you wait. You won't feed them, so come here, kids. Come here, girl. Come. Oh, seriously? You too? You're going to miss a meal. Come here. Come here. It's over here. Yeah, I don't think they like it at all. Sweetie, I understand. Let's not drown. Come here. Oh, good girl. Sweetie, don't lay in it. It's all good. Kids, it's all good. Okay, back up. Let's not drown. Here, sweetie, you can try over there. Your brothers are silly. It'll probably go this way for life. Yes, you're all going to move in directions. Well, hi, Ive. Oh, my. Oh, shh. It's okay, babe. Ivy, can you step out? Huh? Can you give them a second? I know, your mommy is going to clean you. Oh, come here, sweet princess. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here. You okay? Oh, you just want more? Okay, okay. You can have more. Just checking. Oh, my. You have a lot of cleanup to do. What are you doing, Fancy Pants? You gonna clean it up off the floor? That's not what we do in the ring. Hi! What are you doing, Cindy Lou Who? The girls are going back in. Oh, well, the big girl, at least. Ivy, can you wait? We'll get you more. Come here. Ivers, come. Ivy, come. Closer. Closer. Thank you. Thank you. Can we give them some more? Look, he's skating. Yeah. I know, my little buddies. Look at your poor little head. Oh. We'll give them a little room, huh? Oh. Let's get your little feet together. There. Cattle. I know, you can clean puppies, but not the bowl. Oh, you're gonna go through the bowl? Okay. Here you go. Here's some more. I know. Is that good stuff? Hey, baby. Is that good stuff? Oh, is it good stuff? Hi, guys. I would say this was pretty successful. What do you guys think? Huh? It's good stuff? Granny makes good gruel? Yeah? Okay. Oh, the camera's on. Shoot. Okay. We'll turn that off.